Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Efya. I'm so excited you are here because today we are making one of Ghana's most loved traditional dishes, rich, flavorful, and comforting Ghanaian Palm Nut Soup. This soup is packed with tender assorted meat, delicious relief, fresh crabs, vegetables, and a whole lot. Trust me, you will love it. So all you have to do is to wear your apron and let's start cooking. The very first thing I'm doing is adding all my proteins into a clean cooking pot. Today I'm using assorted meat together with nicely cleaned willy, also known as cow skin. I made sure to wash everything thoroughly before cooking because clean ingredients always give you the best results. Next, I'm adding my freshly blended mixture of garlic, ginger, and onions. This combination forms the flavor base of the soup. Now I'll add my fresh tomatoes directly into the pot. I'm also adding fresh pepper. You can adjust the amount depending on how spicy you like your soup or food. Now I'll season everything by adding aroma shrimp seasoning for that rich seafood flavor, and I also go in with some Aromate or pepper seasoning which enhances every ingredient beautifully. Finally, I'm adding some salt to bring all the flavors together. Next comes a little tomato paste. Although we've already added fresh tomatoes, the tomato paste helps deepen the color and gives the soup an even richer taste. Now I'll pour enough water to help everything cook properly. At this stage, I'll give everything a really good stir so every ingredient is well coated with the seasoning. I'll cover the pot and allow the meat and willy to cook until they become soft and tender. This step is very important because properly cooked meat makes the soup much more enjoyable. After allowing everything to simmer for some time, let's check on it. Wow, just look at that. The aroma coming from the pot is absolutely amazing. Now I'll carefully remove the cooked vegetables, which is the tomatoes and pepper. I'll transfer all these ingredients or cooked vegetables into my blender and blend everything until completely smooth. This helps create a silky soup without any large vegetable pieces. Now comes the star ingredient of today's recipe, my freshly prepared palm nut juice. I've already boiled and pounded my palm nuts off camera before extracting the juice. So I'm pouring the fresh palm nut extract straight into the pot with the cooked meat. Immediately you can see the beautiful rich orange color. As you can see, that is exactly what makes palm nut soup so unique and delicious. Next, I'll add my cleaned fresh crabs, and also I'll add some fresh garden eggs. Garden eggs are traditional ingredients in Ghanaian palm nut soup. Now I'm adding Prekese, also known as eating fruit. This ingredient is optional for some people, but if you've ever tasted palm nut soup cooked with Prekese, then you already know the incredible aroma it brings. It gives the soup that authentic Ghanaian homemade flavor that many of us grew up enjoying. Next, I pour in my blended vegetables. This mixture comes perfectly with the palm nut juice, creating a thick, rich, and beautiful colored soup. Now, I'll gently stir everything together until fully combined. At this point, every ingredient begins working together to create layers of flavor that makes the soup truly special. I'll partially cover the pot instead of closing it completely. Leaving the lid slightly open helps prevent the soup from boiling over while allowing steam to escape. It also helps the soup reduces gradually into perfect consistency. Let's come back and check on it again, and wow, just look at how beautiful this soup is cooking. The rich orange color is absolutely gorgeous. The aroma filling the kitchen incredible, and you can already tell this soup is packed with flavor. I'll cover it once more and allow everything to simmer for a few more minutes. This final simmer gives the soup enough time for every flavor to develop completely. And here we have it. Our delicious Ghanaian palm nut soup is finally ready. Just look at that beautiful rich color. The consistency is perfect. The oil has risen nicely to the top and every ingredient looks absolutely delicious. The assorted meat, tender willy, flavorful crabs, soft garden eggs and rich palm nuts broth have come together to create one amazing traditional Ghanaian meal. So I'm serving mine with freshly prepared fufu because nothing pairs with palm nut soup better than fufu. In fact, smooth fufu. Every bite is rich, comforting, and full of authentic Ghanaian flavors and remind you of home. Like liquid gold, step by step cooking with Efya shows the way. We making magic every day. Alright, so at this point, don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. Alright, so I truly hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. If you found this recipe helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as I said, and if you are new to cooking with Efya, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another delicious Ghanaian recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself and I'll see you in my next delicious recipe. Bye for now. Taste the joy.